finding balance between business growth and personal fulfillment can be challenging. The Global Leadership Team Conference, GLTC, is excited to welcome 3 distinguished gurus to share their wisdom and insight on how people and organizations can thrive sustainably in an uncertain future. World-renowned executive coach, Dr. Marshall Goldsmith will be speaking on high engagement and fulfillment at work, the earned life. He will be sharing his expertise on creating a fulfilling balance of work and life to thrive in professional and personal settings. Dr. Goldsmith's decades of experience will provide a thought-provoking exploration of fulfillment at work. We have world-renowned leadership branding guru, Brenda Bence. Her topic is Strengthen Your Leadership Brand and Executive Presence. She shows how you can successfully craft and communicate your own unique brand as a leader within your organization so that you can do more, and be more, in work and life. We also have world-renowned strategic innovation coach, Dr. Chee. He speaks on 10x Transformational Team Coaching 4.0 to transform teams for high performance, exponential growth, and breakthrough results. Leaders who adopt 10x thinking free themselves from current limitations and gain mental and emotional resilience to execute effective strategies for sustainable competitive advantage to thrive. Grab this opportunity to learn from the world's top leadership and coaching experts. Join us at the Global Leadership Team Conference and take the first step towards thriving. Register now and secure your spot today.